Welcome to Kefalonia. We're at Myrtos Beach, one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Every year, thousands of tourists come to visit this amazing place. You can visit the Greek island of Kefalonia by plane or take a ferry to the port of Poros. From there, you can catch a bus to the island's capital, Argostoli. Argostoli is the capital of Kefalonia, with around 10,000 people living here. It was built in the 1750s and became the island's main port and center of life. The town was rebuilt after a big earthquake in 1953. For your first day in Kefalonia, renting a car is a must to explore the island easily. We start from Argostoli and drive to Myrtos Beach, about 30 kilometers away, taking around 40 minutes. Myrtos is famous for its bright turquoise water and white pebbles, surrounded by high cliffs that create a stunning view. It's one of the most photographed beaches in Greece and a perfect first stop on your island tour. Second stop is Miradouro De Assos, the best point of view of Kefalonia, 16 minutes after Myrtos Beach. Now we came to Fiskardo, a beautiful village in the north of Kefalonia. It's about 50 kilometers from Argostoli, around a 1-hour drive. Fiskardo has around 200 residents and is known for its colorful houses that survived the 1953 earthquake, keeping its old Venetian charm. Next, we visit Melissani Lake, about 37 kilometers from Fiskardo, which takes around 50 minutes by car. The entrance fee is 10 euros. This stunning underground lake has crystal clear blue water and is surrounded by caves. In ancient times, it was a place of worship for the god Pan. Part of the cave's roof collapsed, letting sunlight in and making the water glow. It's one of the most magical places to see in Kefalonia. Now we head to Lixouri, about 35 kilometers from Argostoli, taking around 40 minutes. Lixouri is the second largest town in Kefalonia, with around 3,000 people, and it was rebuilt after the 1953 earthquake. The town has a relaxing vibe with pretty squares and cafes. Nearby, you can visit Fikia Beach, known for its red sand and shallow waters, making it a great spot to swim and relax. Now we're at Gerogompos Lighthouse, built in 1907 to guide ships around Kefalonia's west coast. It's a quiet spot with amazing sunset views and a sense of history. Our next stops will be Lagkadakia Beach and then Platia Ammos. Lagkadakia Beach is near Gerogompos Lighthouse, easy to reach by car, and perfect for a quiet swim with clear waters. After that, we head to Platia Ammos, known for its stunning views and crystal clear water. Be careful, as the path down can be dangerous, but the view is amazing for photos, making it worth the stop. Now we're in Sami, about 25 kilometers from Argostoli. Around a 40-minute drive, it has about 1,000 residents and was an important port in ancient times, with ruins still around the area. Next is Antisamos Beach near Sami, known for its clear blue water and green hills around it. There's a beach bar here, and in summer you can find parties and music, making it a fun spot to swim and relax. Now we're at Katelios Beach, about 30 kilometers from Argostoli, around a 40-minute drive. It's a peaceful spot with shallow waters, perfect for a relaxing swim and fresh seafood by the sea. Next we visit Fikia Beach, just 8 kilometers from Lixouri, about a 15-minute drive. It's famous in Europe for its unique red sand and clay cliffs, making it a beautiful and unusual beach to see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.